Hello guys and welcome to What is the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. So in this video tutorial I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program. After that we will execute that code and I will explain you the program. Alright. Now you need to pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. I hope now you have your answer. So we will execute this program. Okay, so this is the output of this program. Whether you guess the same output, if yes, then you know the logic. If not, I will explain you the program, right? Okay, so in this program, first we can see a list named list1 and it contains few strings, that is ABC, XYZ and PQR. Okay, there are 3 elements in the list. Next we can see a for loop. In the for loop, we are applying the lower method on the each element of the list. So here list1 is the iterable and I is a variable. And next outside the for loop, we can see the print function. We are printing list1, right? So the first value of I will be ABC. Okay, here we can see all the characters are in uppercase letter, right? Next, the for loop body will execute for the string ABC. So here we can see we are calling the lower method. So this lower method is a string method which will return a string with lowercase letters. Okay. So that is nothing but it will convert the uppercase letter in the string to lowercase letter. If the string contains lowercase letter, then it will keep that same. Okay. But you need to remember one thing, lower method won't modify the original string. It will return a new string with the lowercase letters. So that's why here we can see we use the lower method and this method will return a string with the lowercase letter. But here we are not storing that return result in any variable, right? That's why that result will be destroyed and the value of I will be the same. Okay. So again, for loop will execute for the next value, that is XYZ. Again same thing happens, lower method will return a new string and here we are not storing that result. That's why that result will be destroyed. The elements remain same. Same happens with the third element of the list. Next here we can see the print function. Here we are printing the list1. Because here nothing is changed, value will be remain same. That's why in the output we got same string, right? ABC, XYZ, PQR. But if you want to change the case of these strings, then we need to store the return result here. And for that I need to take another list. Okay, so I'll create another list which will be empty list initially. Okay, next here what I'll do is I will save the result in some variable. If I take X, okay. So here the variable X will hold the return result, whatever the result we will get from this lower method. Next what I'll do is I will append that value to list2. Okay. So initially list2 will be empty, so it will append the return result. Okay, first I value will be ABC, right? So here it will convert that to lowercase letter. Here we can see a variable which will store that result. So X value will be ABC. Okay, that will be append to list2. It will add that string at the end of the list2. Initially list2 is empty, so the first value will be X, that is nothing but smaller case ABC. Next again for loop will execute for the next value. It will store that in X and it will append that to list2. Now if I print list2, I will print both, okay, list1 and list2, and I'll save and run. And here we can see first is list1. As I said, lower method won't modify the original string. So list1 contains same elements. But in the list2 we stored the return result, that is modified result. So here we can see all the strings are in the lowercase letter. Alright. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.